Hello, homework help page 29. Number 1 says to round each number to the nearest 10. Okay, so first of all, I would make sure we just remember which number is the 10. Okay, and that means we look at the ones place next to it to make the deciding factor. Okay, so if it's 4 and under, we're going to round down, and if it's 5 or higher, we're going to round up. So since this is a 4, I'm going to round down to 90. Since this is a 5, I'm going to round up to 60, but I still don't want to forget that it's 360. So actually the answer I need to write down is 360. Okay, you're going to do the same for these 4 here. The next one, we're rounding each number to the nearest 100. So that means I need to make sure I know which number is the hundreds place. And then I need to look at the tens place to make my decision. Okay, again, 4 and lower, I round down. 5 and higher, I'm going to round up. This is a 9 here, so I'm going to round up to 300. Okay, this is a 1 here in the tens place, so I'm going to round down to 100. You're going to do the same for these other 4 here. Number 2 says to use the count back strategy to figure out the difference. That means I need to start at my higher number and count backwards by my lower number to find the difference, which means I'm doing subtraction for these problems. Okay, so here I'm going to start at 85 and I'm going to count back by 12. Sorry, my 5 didn't look all that great. So first I'm going to count back by 10. So that's 75. And then I'm going to count back by 2. So that makes it 73. And so my answer is the number I land on here with 73. You're going to do the same here, starting with the bigger number and counting back by the smaller number. As my daughter pointed out, if he's only got $12 in his wallet, he should not be purchasing an $85 item. So I think our secret word today might be too expensive. Maybe with a smiley face too, because I think that's funny. Okay, and down here at the bottom, number 3, we're going to write each time. Now, the smaller arm here that stays within the circle is the hour hand. So that hour hand is pointing at 7. The minute hand, which is longer, it goes past the shaded circle, is pointing at the 2. And we know that minutes actually count by 5. So that's 5, 10. So it's 7, 10. Okay, but the way they want us to write it, they want us to write the minutes first and then the hours. So we're actually going to say 10 minutes past 7. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing for these other 2 clocks here. And remember, our keyword this time for the extra credit point is too expensive. And I will see you next time. Bye.